Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by checking Essentials. Confirm your iPhone 7 runs a supported iOS and that Messages is enabled. Next, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active, toggle airplane mode for a quick network reset. Sign out of your Apple ID in both Messages and FaceTime so cached credentials clear. Once done, perform a full restart to let the system rebuild services. This resolves many registration and send/receive issues by forcing fresh network and account authentication. Now focus on account and network details. Sign back into your Apple ID so iMessage reattaches to your account and confirm two-factor doesn't block activation. Reset network settings to clear DNS, VPN, and other conflicts that prevent iMessage registration. Make sure date and time are set automatically. Wrong time breaks server auth, and update carrier settings if prompted. Also verify SMS relay, and your phone number are selected in Messages so activation, SMS, and delivery work correctly. Finish by updating iOS to the latest version supported on the iPhone 7 to pick up fixes. If problems persist, use the Apple Support app diagnostics or contact your carrier to confirm SMS activation and unblock shortcodes. As a last resort, back up your phone, erase all content, and restore to force a clean activation environment. Make sure your SIM remains inserted and able to send SMS. If this still fails, one key troubleshooting tip: test with a different SIM or different Wi-Fi network to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.